Hi, my name is Jimmy Johansson, and today I will show you how you can organize your data and information. To create a new dashboard, expand the dashboard list and click the plus sign at the top toolbar. Enter a name for the dashboard and then click Create to generate a new empty dashboard. You can now drag and drop applications into the dashboard to fill it with content. So select the 3D Swim application and drop it into your new dashboard. Then resize it so you can see the content within the application and select the community you want to display. You can also rename the tab to make it easy to understand that this tab in this dashboard displays the community. If you click at the upper right corner and select Preferences, you can select Current Preferences and save to ensure that this tab in this dashboard will always display this